At the end of every yoga story, just like in an adult's yoga class, we do a relaxation, a Savasana. And that's where I always try to land a useful, simple message and life lesson for the kids. Check out this one from Encanto.
The message of this story is very powerful. You are so much more than your talents and abilities. There is so much more to you that makes you you. And you most certainly do not need to be perfect to be loved. Be yourself. Be honest. Support others as they will support you. Celebrate the imperfections, the creases and the cracks. Shine a light on all of it. The truth is what is really beautiful.